The GM of All City Towing told me at their seminar, with the rapid growth of the EV vehicle market, they feel it's crucial for first responders to be well prepared to manage these types of incidents.
We've got knowledge or know of knowledge that we believe that they could use, that could save lives, could make them more safe, then we want to impart that on them. These batteries, once they become compromised, whether it's through a collision or through an incendiary event, typically speaking, it's very difficult, if not impossible, to put them out. Generally speaking, they have to burn completely out.
That GM tells me the best piece of advice he can give all of us who, God forbid, get involved in an EV crash. The best thing you can do, get out of the vehicle and get as far away from the situation as you can.